We are visiting different countries in search of our queen for our kingdom.
But so far we haven't found anyone who is,
Who is what, Qingming?
who is actually worthy of our royal kimono, Raju.
No, does not belong to any monkey. Kalia deserves it.
Huh?
Kalia the king.
No! Kimono only belongs to the queen!
Not the queen. King.
Very bad boy. Christine, our queen. Queen Tuntun.
Royal Kimono has chosen you!
Please
You are-
put on the kimono.
If you insist, I'll wear the kimono for once.
Ma!
Long live our Empress Tuntun! Long live!
Empress Tuntun. Empress Tuntun rules over everyone.
Ma!
Forget Ma. I'm the Empress. Get off.
Auntie is a bad empress.
Very bad.
Empress, hope that you will come along with us.
Never.
What?
But why?
Empress Tuntun will also rule over the kingdom of Dholakpur. King Indravarma!
Hand over Dholakpur to the Empress Tuntun right away!
I'll destroy the kingdom of Dholakpur.
Ma! Dholakpur is our actual home! Yeah!
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah!
Jingming!
Beam! The last laddu! Ma!
Mama, I'm here.
Ma, you were...
Tuntun auntie, you had promised to serve laddus to all of us in the royal palace.
So let's go.
Uncle, what happened? Where's everyone going in such a big hurry?
What? We are in big trouble. A huge ship has anchored on our shore. We heard some strange news. That's why we are heading towards the shore.
This ship might just destroy the entire city.
Guys, keep thinking. In the meantime, Kalia will do it and show you. This is what you call actual bravery.
Wow, Kalia, wonderful! You are the true example of bravery. You are indeed the king of bravery.
Oh, I don't think this way we'll be able to help anyone.
No one can stop us from helping them out, Raju. Whatever it is, I'm going ahead and dealing with the matters of the ship.
Bhim,
Huh? Avi uncle, you? How come you are here?
I just heard about the ship and came running as fast as I could. Take this. These are gloves and shoes made of rubber. These will help you in facing the waves.
Thank you so much. So you are the one behind all this.
Yes, we usually anchor the ship on that shore where all the villagers are around. Then we destroy everything and rob their expensive belongings. So far, nobody has stopped us from doing this.
Well, that's because till date you haven't come across someone as brave as Bhim.
I see. Only Bhim is brave.
Those who get scared and still keep fighting.
Are known as true bravehearts.
Greetings, good fairy.
Bhim, I have come to seek your help. Few days, please keep this box with you carefully.
I was taking good care of this box.
Kalia, Good Fairy didn't give this to you.
Boom, 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 boom.
What fun!
Got you.
Where's Bhim? He's not to be seen. Huh? Got you! Boom, boom,
Ma, we finished preparing all the laddus.
Laddu thief?
Boom, boom.
Finally caught you! Get hold of him! Don't let him go!
You are in my clutches, Bhim.
But how?
My enemy, the good fairy, gave the growing younger potion to none other than Bhim to keep it away from me. But this Kalia, by sheer mistake, spilled that magical potion on the laddus.
You know...
That magical potion, Chota Bhim turned into Chota Bhim. Well, I did not get the magical potion.
Boom! 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 Boom!
This boom is a lot worse than Bhim.
I was actually going through my very old stamp book. Would you kids also like to have a look?
Of course.
So many stamps and such beautiful ones. That too from different countries. How did you manage to collect them?
It's here. You really think, buddy, that stamp is a magical one?
It's not just a stamp. It's a lottery ticket to become a millionaire, billionaire, trillionaire. And you...
Someone help!
Who is this screaming for help? Looks like someone is in trouble.
Dadaji! Dadaji, what happened?
Someone must have played a prank on me. Bhim, you better go back. My trunk is wide open and things are scattered.
Come on, pull me out, pull me. Power of its magic. What a stamp! It will transport you to another world.
Now what's our next plan?
Run! Can't see them.
Oh yes, this magical stamp brought all of us here. But how do we return to Dholakpur? These goons were stealing the stamp only because it was a magical one. So just think, if they were aware of this particular stamp, then isn't it possible that they could be possessing many more stamps which are special or magical?
Yes, let's check their bags thoroughly.
What happens? Thomas Alva Edison. He was a... Look! Here's a stamp of an aeroplane. Maybe we can fly back to Dholakpur in this aeroplane? Where is this plane flying off to?
No way!
What?
Do you remember that Natwargarh is situated near a mountain? On that mountain, there lives a very dangerous dinosaur. His name is Dinosaur. That dinosaur is a big headache for me, I tell you.
You have such a big army and all modern weapons, Nattu.
Dinosaur's skin is so hard that ordinary arrows and spears just bounce off it. Nothing happens to him. It is said that if you cross the river that flows by Natwargarh and reach the other side, right? On that side, there is a cave, and inside the cave, there is a great pool of lava. Do you understand me? There is right in the center of the pool, there is a tiny little island on which a magical spear is stuck.
Bhim, you must leave right now. Go and retrieve that magical spear, defeat that Dinosaur, and bring peace to the people of Natwargarh. Go!
As you say, Your Majesty.
Come, a warm welcome. Oh, so you are the famous boy from Dholakpur, right? The great warrior Abhim. Welcome.
And I am the great and powerful Kalia.
Yes, that nobody has the courage to go inside that cave. It is supposed to be full of dangers, you know.
No matter what the danger is, I will crush it single-handedly.
Very well, brave children. Here is the cave.
Wait, Kalia. These holes in the walls don't seem right to me. We must tread very carefully in this cave.
What's this?
Oh no, Bhim! This cave is full of life-threatening dangers.
Watch out, friends!
Be careful.
Careful! Stay behind me.
Now what, Bhim? The way ahead is blocked.
But where is this light coming from? Let's check.
Hey, look! The magical spear!
Oh, yes!
It is so grand!
Oh, so this is why getting it is so tough.
But how will we reach that spear?
Yes, I can do this. Huh?
Oh, Bhim! What do we do now? Look! The walls are caving in! Come back here quickly, Bhim!
Follow me, everyone!
This side, come! Come on, come on!
Long live brave Bhim! Long live brave Bhim! Long live brave Bhim!
Young boy, you all have shown great courage and strength. Come with me.
We have to find that troublemaker, Dinosaur. He can't be seen anywhere around. Why not enjoy the view and have some tasty fruits first? Come on, Jagu! We want more! What kind of sound was that?
This is just a baby dinosaur.
Listen, please stop, Dinosaur. Hey, Dinosaur! Leave them alone, or I will. Dinosaur had started attacking my friends.
Of them were stealing my yummy fruit.
Your fruits?
Yes, all the fruits and the bamboo shoots that grow on this mountain are my food. But of that, the villagers come here and eat up half of my...
Oh, so this is it. Okay, fine, Dinosaur. I will solve the problems between you and the villagers today itself.